What's the meaning of bellows? Bellows. Bellows.
Bellows. Bellows. Bellows are a device used to produce a strong and steady flow of air. They are typically made of leather or some other flexible material that can be expanded and contracted to create a flow of air. The use of bellows dates back centuries and the design has remained relatively unchanged over time. Bellows are commonly used in forges, furnaces, and other industrial settings where a controlled flow of air is needed to maintain high temperatures for heating and melting metals. They are also used in musical instruments such as organs and accordions to create a sustained sound by pushing air through reeds or pipes.